and welcome back to your big guy channel. In this video you will learn A to G Excel shortcuts. Okay, so sit tight and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Number one shortcut key, we have this control plus tilde. Control plus tilde key, when you press, what happens? You press control tilde key, you see the formulas, whatever the formula is in your workbook you're working in, you can see them. Okay, in order to hide them again, you can press the same thing, control and tilde key. So this is one is done. Next is control plus 1. When you press control with 1, you will see the format cell option will open. So you can see this dialog box, format cells, and that there are so many functions which I'm not gonna explain you here. Alright, so basically when you press control plus 1 to open a format cell, that is done. Control 2. To make your text bold, you can press simply control and 2. So this is bold now, as you see. For italic font, you can press control plus 3. You can see it's italic font. That is done. For underline, you can press control plus 4. It's underline to make your text underline. Okay. For strike through, you can press control 5. Now this is strike through is done. I'm being a bit faster, so because these are small functions, so nothing much to explain. Now let's talk about control 8 is for outlines. If I press control plus 8, it says there is no outline symbol here. Okay, so it won't show. Doesn't matter, if there is, it will. Now let's go to the control plus 9. When you press control 9, you hide the rows. Okay, let's show it. Control 9. Where is control 9? It's hidden here, right? So when you press control 9 to hide row, now let's do undo, control Z. So to hide row, control 9, and to hide column, example, I want to hide this whole goddamn thing, so I press control 0. Where is it? It's here. So 4 is missing from here, the column number. Now control Z. So control 0 is to hide columns. Okay. To add rows, if you want to add row where you're working, example, so you can press control plus. You can add entire row, or you can also again press the same thing and click entire column. Okay, like that way. Now you need to delete it. So this thing is done. If you want to delete them, the one we have just now inserted, so control minus, you press control minus, you can say entire row, delete entire row, control minus, delete the entire column, I don't need it. Okay, so that is done also. Now let's talk about another shortcut key, is control plus arrow key. When you use control arrow, you may move very faster, up, down, left, right, in, out. Okay, like that way. So here we are, control arrow key to move around faster in your workbook. Okay, now control F12 in your calculator. Immediately working in Excel, press control F12 function key. You will see the calculator appearing on your screen like that way. Alright, that is also done. The next function we have is control plus F11. When you press control F11, so you can see all the, oh, you got it, all the open workbook we are working in, all the windows you're working in, anything, so it can appear on the screen. Control F11. Now control F10 to create a table. Press control F10. You have a data, you want to make a table of that, press control F10. So the table is ready. So you see everything is converted to table, we don't need it. So let's go. Now I will start with control A from here. Okay, come on, why are you moving too fast? Control A, select all. Of course you're aware about it. Control A, everything is selected. To select everything is control A. Control B is for bold. It is already bold. If I press again, it will remove. Control B, bold. Okay, control B, bold. Control C is for copying anything. You are well aware of that. Control D. Okay, that's amazing. If I type here, type. Oh wow, that's fantastic. Now if I press control D, nothing will happen. Ask me why. Because there is no space down. Okay, let's do control Z. Now, so we need to go somewhere where there's a space down. Where is this? Example here. You press control D, the last will come down. Wow, that's amazing, right? control D. So any text which is up in the column, want to bring it down or type, control D is the best key. Flash fill. Oh, for that I have to go here. I need to insert at least one row here. Okay, example, if I sort it by first name only, so I type here Ram. Now I press Control E. Control is work as flash fill. Control E. So you see all the names are sorted first. Alright. Easy, fast, efficient. If you want to watch this video, I have already made for flash fill. Check it out. Now let's gonna talk about Control F. Control E, Control F we will talk about in more in detail now. Control F is for finding anything you wish to find in your worksheet you're working in. You can press Control F. Now you need to go Control G, special. Sorry, I press F. Control G is to go to special. You can either give reference, you can find anything here as well. Example, if I learn to look for formula in this, where are the formulas? In here, you can see up here, formula. Alright, so that way you can use Control G. It's an amazing function. Why I'm in Control N Z. Come on, man, where are you going? At last, why? Control G. Alright, so that was Control G to go to special. Control H, sometimes we do need to replace something like that. So press find what? Find replace with. Replace all. Simple. To replace, Control H is the shortcut. Italic again, Control I, Control I. Italic font, Control I also works as. Now let's talk about hyperlink. Control K. If you want to put in a hyperlink somewhere, you can press Control A, K. Example, no. Existing file, place in this document. Okay. From in this document, if you want to put, why I'm explaining this? I have made a particular video about that. Okay. Example, if you click in here, you go to sheet 1 automatically. You got it? So this is how the hyperlink works. Control K to create hyperlink. Control L again for table. Here is the table. Here is the table. You see the table. Control C to convert your data into table. Control L also works as Control F10. Got that? Now we will move to the next key, which is we have Control N. When you press Control N, your work will well up on Control N. As you can see, it's a blank workbook. There are two one. Let's close this. Next one is Control O to open. Control O to open whatever the work has been done here. You can see it today. Okay. Just to check your history about Excel, what you have done. So you can press Control O from your shortcut key, from the keyboard. Control P is for print. So do I need to show you? Yeah, okay. Control P, print, like that way it will show. So how is going to print come out. Control Q is amazing function for condition formatting. Press Control Q. You see those functions here. You can convert to chart, table, sparkles, formatting, data, all that shit. Everything is here. Alright. Control Q. Control R is also an amazing function. I like it. Okay, so the text, if you want it here, you can simply press Control R. Wow. Yo. Any text which you want to take it to your right, you press Control R, print, like that. Save, Control S, you know it. T, again, one more time, Control T, Control L, Control F10. So there are three ways you can create a table. Control F10, Control L, Control T. All will convert into table. If you have header, perfect. Control C. Okay, now we are here. Control U. So for underline, first I will remove this. Again, underline. To put underline, you can press simply Control U. Let's move to another paste. Paste will only work if it is cut or copy. Copy, and here Control B, paste. Okay, so that is Control B. Control W I will explain you later, is to close your worksheet. Okay, Control X is to cut. You cut from here, you paste here. Control B. Okay, Control X also done. Control Y is to redo whatever the last action you have done. Example, if I Control X, Control B, if I want to redo, undo it, Control Z. If I want to redo it, Control Y. Okay, so those two functions work that way: redo, undo. I got still more shortcut keys here, which I'm gonna give you right now. So stick to me, not to me, to video. I mean, yeah, it's okay, doesn't matter. Control F7 is to project whatever you're working on. If you want to show it to another screen or external screen, so you can press, I mean, from your keyboard, Control F7. So these things will open automatically. You can duplicate, extend second screen, PC, or connect a wireless display. Got it. So this is how it works. Control and space. When you press Control and space, you directly go to the search bar. You can search anything here, all the apps you have got. Okay, let's close this too. Here we are. Control plus space bar. When you press Control and space bar, you select the whole goddamn column. Okay. Control Shift U. This formula bar will extend when you press Control Shift and U. U. Yeah, got it. Now Control Shift and P to open format cell. Control Shift and P, same as Control 1. Control Shift F, again the same thing. Okay, to open format cell function as Control 1 format cell. It's the same thing. Alright. Now for filter, you can search, you can use Control Shift L. Now here is the filter. Example, you select those, Control Shift L, filter, not filter, Control Shift L for filter. Let's remove this too. Last key, actually second last, Control Shift and greater than. How you use this to get the text in the left. Again, as work as Control R. Control Shift, same as R. Okay, it's working, right? Here, new, it's working. To get your text to the right, whatever the text you have in the left, is to Control Shift greater than. Now the last thing, I'm gonna show you how to add emoji. Okay, emoji. In order to add emoji in your Excel worksheet, you can press Window and full stop key. Got it. So these are the emoji I have put here. Okay, yo, you can see, hope you like them. So these are the emojis you have put. All right. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please do comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friends. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If you press Shift plus 5, you will get the percentage symbol. Okay, of course you know that. This has been way too much, man.